at him there?
My car's been stolen.
Or reincarnated? Pink slip. A gift from the Arnello brothers.
You know, they're gangsters, sure, but they're thoughtful, too.
You can't keep it. It's graft.
No. Graft is if I tell him I'll only make him better if he slips me a couple bucks. Or payoff for something I'm not supposed to do. If I'd asked for the payoff, which I didn't, I would have done the bad thing anyway. So there's nothing wrong with this.
Right.
Damn. 65. Perfectly restored. What do you think a guy like Joey would do if someone turned down a gift? That's kind of an insult, isn't it?
He might hurt you. It's definitely possible.
I'm screwed. Gotta take the car.